In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change date, time and region on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in settings, scroll down, go in general management, tap on date and time. As you can see here, no date and time is showing. To show the date and time, you have to disable this option by tapping on this toggle. As you can see, now date and time is showing. I will simply select the date and time. Now, if you want to change the region, then simply disable this option by tapping on this toggle, tap on select time zone, tap on region. I will simply select my region. As you can see, my region is changed. So this is how you can change date, time and region on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.